Hello dear children, I welcome you all to today's session. Dear students, I have brought something new for you. Let us see what is that. Okay, so we have to start assignment number 10. So are you ready? Alright, let us see what do we have to do in this assignment. So here we go. We have to attempt a grammar section in this assignment. Now, as you know, in the grammar section, we practice the questions based on the grammar topics that we have recently covered. So let us see what grammar topics I have chosen for you in this assignment. Alright, so it is present perfect tense, and I'm sure it is very much fresh in your knowledge. So just for a recap, we form the present perfect tense with have or has helping verb and past participle form of the verbs. Example, I have eaten an apple. Now here, with the subjects like I, you, we, they, have is used as helping verb and eaten is the past participle form or third form of our verb eat. Similarly, with our subjects like he, she, it or any name, has is the helping verb. Okay? And same third form of the verb. So he has eaten an apple. Now with this recap, I'm sure you're ready for the assignment. So the question for you is fill in the blanks with present perfect tense form of the verbs given in brackets. So dear children, you will get to see some sentences and verb forms will be given to you in bracket. So we have number 1, the boys blank their answer sheets. The verb given to you is bring. Now just tell me, the boys is the subject. So what is it? Singular or plural? Yes, you're right. It is plural. So what should come? Has or have? Okay. Bring is the verb given. So just find out the third or the past participle form of this verb. And please mind the spellings. So dear children, I'm sure you have got your answer. Yes, so the answer should be the boys have brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Okay? The boys have brought. Alright? Let us move to our next answer. Next statement. The team. The team dash already dash the game. The verb form given to us is win. Now just tell, what is this word team? Yes, team is the past form, team is a collective noun. And what do we use? Which helping verb we use for a collective noun, dear children? Yes, you're right. Just find it out, has or have. And then the verb is win. So just write the third form of this verb. I'm sure you've got your answer. So shall I write it for you? It is has. The team has already won. Okay, W-O-N. Alright. The team has already won the game. Let us move to next. I dash just dash the news of your new job. The verb given to you is get. Now again see, with I, what helping verb should come? What should be the third form of this verb get? And also, dear children, remember that when we have the words like just, already, then we use present perfect tense. Because here you know that you have to use present perfect tense. But otherwise, if you get mixed sentences, you should know which tense should come. Okay? So when we get the words like just, already, ever, never, then we use present perfect tense. Now let us come back to the statement. I am sure you must have got your answer. So what should it be? Yes, you're right. Have. I have. Just. The third form is got. Okay? I have just got the news of your new job. Let us move next. They dash never dash so well. So I have just shared with you that never means, again, present perfect tense can also come. Okay. Now they, it is singular or plural. Just think about it. See to it in the first blank helping verb should come. So what it should be. Then in the next blank the verb form should come. So just find it out. Yes. Let us see the answer. So it should be they have. Why? Because it is plural. Okay. It should be like this. They have. And what should be the third form? Yes, you got it right. They have never. It goes here and there when you write with a laser pen. But I'm sure you are writing it nicely and correctly in your English notebooks. So they have never danced so well. Okay, the next sentence for us. Dash she dash a new car recently. Recently means in a short span, right? In just few days back. So again, find out which she, what helping verb should come. What is the third form of buy? So time to get the answer. Yes, it should be has because she is singular. Okay, so we will write has. Has she bought? So I'm really trying to write it as neatly as possible, but oh my god, it all went wrong. So let us see. B-O-U-G-H-T. So has she bought a new car recently? Okay, I'm sure you have understood your verb because you know your answers. So let us have sixth. My friends dash already dash their meals. Meals means? Yes, food. And the verb in bracket given to us is eat. Now again, my friends is singular plural. Accordingly, write your helping verb and see what should be the third form of this verb, eat. Okay. So, time to show the answer. My friends is plural. So, it should be have. My friends have already eaten. E-A-T-E-N. Please see that spellings should be correct. Okay, there should not be any mistakes in spellings. And please learn these verb forms with their proper spellings. Again, with the words like already, we use present perfect tense. Now, next is dash, he, not dash, yet. Dear children, yet is also a kind of word which shows us that it should be present perfect tense. Okay, they are called hint words actually. In sentences, if you get yet, already, ever, never, then present perfect tense can also come. Okay. Now again, subject is, yes, you're right, he. So is it singular or plural? Then just see what should be the third form of your verb, come. I'm sure it's going to be easy for you because we have practiced a lot present perfect tense. So let us see our answer. Yes, what it should be? Has or have? Yes, it should be has because it is a singular noun. Oh, that goes a drawing as well. Now, has he not? What is the third form of this verb? Yes, you're right. The third form is come. Come, came, come. And as I always remind you, we have done 3 sessions of verb forms. So if you anytime want to learn the verb forms again, please you can watch those videos again. Right? Now let us see number 8. Dash you ever dash in the sea. Now again, the subject is you. Whenever you do a sentence, you should be very clear that what is my subject, what is my verb. Okay, so you is the subject, swim is the verb. So now, you with you. Which helping verb should come? Yes, you're right. It is have. Okay, have you ever. Now, ever is also a hint word that present perfect tense should be used. So, have you ever? What is the third form of this verb swim? It is swum. Okay, S-W-U-M. That's why I'm writing this so that there is no mistake in your spellings. Alright, it becomes swim, swam, swum. So, swum, S-W-U-M. This is the third form of this verb. Alright. Now next we have the child dash his folder. The verb is forget. Now again the rule is simple. What is the subject here? Yes, the child. And it is singular plural? Yes, you're right again. It is singular. So it should be has. The child has. Now what is the third form of this verb? It is F. Yes, tell. Very good. For Gotten. So gradually I am also mastering this art of writing with a laser pen. Thanks to you. You are giving me this option. So the child has forgotten his folder. Okay, and the spelling is Forgotten. Dear children, if any time you think that the spellings are not clearly written, please listen to me. Okay, I am clarifying each spelling every time. So forgotten, Forgotten. And what is the second form? Yes, it is forget, forgot, forgotten. Okay, now let us move to our next. So number 10, Sneha dashed 3 letters just now. Now just now means something which is just recently done. Again, it should be present perfect tense. Now Sneha is singular. So I'm sure by this time you have mastered your present perfect tense and we can rightly tell the answer. It should be has. Very good. And then what is the third form of write? Yes, you're right. So there are write has 2 spellings. So write, wrote and written. Okay. Written. Okay, I'm again repeating it. It is Written, has written. Okay, write, wrote, written. Fine. Now next we have dash the painters, dash the wall. The verb given to us is paint. So again, painters is singular plural. Yes. Accordingly you have to put has or have. And then paint is the verb. So what should be the third form? Yes, time to see the answer. It should be have the painters and painted. Okay, the third form is painted. Painted. I'm trying to write it neatly for you. Yes, it should be like this, ED. Okay, please write very neatly with your pencils in your English notebook, right? And write the complete sentences. So have the painters painted the wall. Okay, then this is an interrogative sentence, right? We have done all kind of sentences of present perfect tense. Now next is my father dash not yet dash to bed. Now again the hint word is yet. Yet means present perfect tense should come. Now it's very simple. Father is singular. Yes. So the helping verb should be has. My father has not yet. And the third form of this is gone. G-O-N-E. Okay. Go, went, gone. You remember we have done the verb forms? Yes. My father has not yet gone to bed. G-O-N-E. Okay. So let us move to our next sentence. We dash never dash in Mumbai. Now, never is also like a hint word, but okay, fine. Many other tenses can come. Let's focus on present perfect tense. We is plural, so the helping verb should be have. If you anytime get confused, then you can refer back to the chart. The chart I shared, a table was there in the beginning of this video. So you can watch that table again. So we have never lived. Okay, the third form of live is lived. So this time I have written much better. Yes. So we have never lived in Mumbai. Okay. Let us see our next. The baby dash just now. And the verb given to us is sleep. So the baby is singular. And so the helping verb should be has. The baby has. And just tell me the third form. Very good. It should be slept. Okay. S-L-E-P-T. Alright. Please learn these verb forms. Learn their spellings. That is very important. So the baby has slept just now. Now comes our 15th sentence. I dash the money on the table. Yes, with I we have only. So I have and put has all the three forms same. Put. Okay, P-U-T. So I have put the money on the table. And that brings us to the end of today's session. We have successfully completed 15 sentences of present perfect tense. They were affirmative kind, negative kind, interrogative kind. If you want to revise this tense, you can anytime watch the videos of the previous sessions previously which we have done related to present perfect tense. Also a very important thing, dear children, do learn the verb forms with their spellings, okay? And write it in your English notebook, all the sentences completely. So till we meet again, goodbye. Take care, keep learning.